the price crashed, and I my popularity finished with and uh, and now the price is back up way above here. So this is called a double bottom. Okay, it's called a double bottom. Is it a double or triple bottom? Right? It's like the Buffett indicator. And now the price is way back up there. And so we have this thing going on, this thing between Bitcoin and gold. It's more of like they are fighting each other, you know. It's more of like there's this fight between Bitcoin and gold. And right now you'll find that people who believe in gold are very much excited because it's kind of similar to like what happened to me. Like the time when I recommended to buy Bitcoin, it was here, right? Then I became popular right here, you know. And then my popularity died when the Bitcoin price crashed. So what was happening is that when the price went up, people bought Bitcoin here, and then the price went down, and then people sold their Bitcoin because they believed Bitcoin was going to crash. So they sold at a loss, and then all of a sudden Bitcoin has gone back up. So these people who held this position here, they're disappointed as I could imagine right now. The people who bought Bitcoin at this price, they're very much disappointed.